heating up, we will put this pan over here and we will wait for it to be warm. Now I will put a little bit of the oil. But remember, just a little bit. I will now spread it out. Make sure you put it all around the pan. Let's put 2 handfuls because when it becomes popcorn, it will be full. Okay. 1 and 2. We learned this way of cooking popcorn from our Tita Lily. Now put the cover to get ready for the corn to pop. And now we will wait. This will be a bit of a muscle exercise. I can see just a little bit starting to become popcorn. There's one there that's popping already. Oh, they're jumping. It's like they're on a trampoline. I see one. It's white. I can smell the popcorn now. It's so cool that just one seed will quickly become popcorn. I mean, and it's really big. Jumping. I wonder what makes the popcorn jump. Almost done. And remember, you need to keep a safe distance from the popcorn because it might pop on you. And it will be very hot. And don't touch the pan. A lot. We just put a little and now it's a lot. There's many questions about popcorn. It just took a few seconds or a few minutes. I have too much questions for it. I can just stare at the popcorn popping all day, but it might scare you if you go too close when it's not moving. Like that. This is finished, and now we will transfer it to the bowl. Ooh, so much steam. You need to be careful when you transfer because it's very hot. Now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. Just a little bit, not too much because it will be very salty. I think that's enough. There. It smells so good. It smells like yummy fresh popcorn. I could feel all the salt if I could. This is all set. Now we must enjoy. A delicious. Very good. Would you like some? I could eat this all day. Thank you for watching. So long. Bye bye. And here's popcorn to go.